I expect them to be flying soon.
Yeah, I've had a bird nest on the little tree outside my front door, and when they finally got big enough, they were, jumping about, and off deflate they went. There was one that was on my windowsill that I didn't think he could fly, because every year we get those, cracked egg, didn't quite make it, there's no saving them. I mean, that's just how nature works. And then next thing you know, they're on the sidewalk and eaten up by ants. But, oh, that's a little one I see right behind it.
There are two, yeah.
Yeah. All right, that's good enough for me.